Good morning, McGilly vlog. How are you? Today is Thursday, the day after Boxing Day. I'm just getting ready for work.
Leave that.
Morning, boys. Morning, Keely.
Morning. Oh.
Dog, turn around. Alright, I'll see you later, Ace. I'll see you later.
Put the nappy out, by the way. Daddy, take it out. Oh, and there's one.
Bye, Stan.
I'll put them in the bin.
Bye.
Love you.
Look at you.
What is yours say?
Okay guys, so yes, I'm in my car as you can see. I'm on my way to work as usual. As I said, it's the day after Boxing Day. So it's the 28th today. It's nearly the end of the year. So I'm just tying up some loose ends at work. Yeah, it's gonna be 2018 pretty soon. So I'll see you when I get to work. Alright guys, so I've just got to work. I'm going to go to my desk and yeah, I'll see you at lunchtime or later on. Good evening, McGilly vlog. I hope you've had a good day. I've just finished work and now I'm on my way to pick up some food for Keely and the boys because that's what we had agreed earlier on. Yeah, so I'm just leaving work now. I'll see you when I get home. Alright guys, so yeah, we've had our food and I've unboxed my Parrot Bebop Drone. I've had a couple of flies now, haven't we, Mace? Here's the box. It's very good to fly, very easy to fly, and an all-round very good drone. I'm very happy with it.
Right. Follow the circles. Right. And cross. Clever boy. Right. What about the number 2? Follow the circle.
Big one.
Big. Yeah, it is big. Clever boy.
Wow.
Calm.
Look. Mason, are you proud of that?
Should we do number 3?
Number 3.
Right, so you start here. Listen. Start here. Go round and around. Slowly. Right, go and do it with the pen then. Slowly.
Start from the top.
from the big one. Right. No,
Wow,
let's
nearly.
Let's do it again.
Yeah.
No.
Start from the top. Watch Daddy's finger.
Here.
Go round, hit the middle, round, hit the bottom.
Right.
Mason, try.
Big circle.
Yeah,
Mummy, do it with you. Like this. Ready?
Wow, look at that.
Right.
Well
I'm
done.
going to do it now.
Alright guys, what's up? Just another thing I need to unbox today. My new work shoes. I bought these online from M&M direct and they had £28 off. So a bit of a bargain. I got these for £11 plus postage. I think they're very nice. They're lace-ups, they're a tan colour. Very, very nice fit of a shoe. I'm going to try them on for you now and give you a first impressions video. Alright guys, so these are my shoes with my sort of work outfit. I think they feel pretty good. They go quite well with my trouser leg here. This is sort of like a charcoal colour trouser leg. Very nice feel and bargain. Okay, so yeah, overall I'm very happy with my new purchases I've received today. A new Parrot Bebop drone, which I've tested out some of the footage, which you've seen in this video. Here we are, flashback. Very stable, very good footage. Bearing in mind it is very dark, pitch black outside, so yeah, you're not going to be able to see the full potential of the camera on there. Nonetheless, very good stable footage. And my shoes, obviously, very comfy, brand new shoes. There's nothing better than wearing new shoes. That's it for today, guys. What I'll do is I'm going to try and leave a bit early for work tomorrow and get some nice drone shots for you in the morning on the way to work, because the sunset comes up really nice over the hills. Hopefully we can see that together. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe if you haven't already. We're nearly hitting 500 subs. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!